Here are 7 shocking tech and AI updates every Indian must know this week. Pixel 10 launching in India. Asus laptops now delivered via Swiggy. ChatGPT 5 is finally here. Big smartphone launches from Oppo, Samsung and Motorola. Infosys opens an AI and space tech hub in Karnataka. Rupees 5,000 crore boost to Indian AI startups. AI is changing edtech and pharma forever. Let's break it down fast. 1. Google Pixel 10 series launches in India. Google is set to launch its flagship Pixel 10 smartphone lineup featuring the new Tensor G5 chip and deep integration with Gemini AI on August 20th globally and August 21st in India. These devices are expected to deliver industry-leading AI-powered features such as advanced photo editing, real-time language translation, and personalized smart assistants. The August 2, Asus announces fastest laptop delivery in India with Swiggy Instamart. In a first for the Indian electronics market, Asus teamed up with Swiggy Instamart to deliver laptops to customers in major metro cities within minutes of ordering. This campaign, launched alongside Asus's Independence Day deals, offers up to 53% discounts on select laptop models until August 17th. With OpenAI ChatGPT 5 rollout poised to reshape Indian AI landscape. OpenAI's global launch of ChatGPT 5 slated for August promises a new wave of AI innovation with enhanced reasoning, multimodal understanding, and broader support for Indian languages. Oppo, Samsung, and Motorola expand devices in India. Oppo's K13 Turbo and Turbo Pro, focused on gaming performance and battery life, arrive August 11. Samsung's latest One UI 8 beta is being pushed to its Galaxy Z Fold 6 and S24 series for early adopters, along with the repairability-focused Galaxy Z Fold 7. Motorola unveils its Razr 60 and Moto Buds Loop in a Swarovski Brilliant Collection edition. Infosys opens AI and Space Tech Innovation Center in Karnataka. Infosys inaugurated a cutting-edge facility in Hubballi, North Karnataka, dedicated to research in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and space technology. A massive AI investments and startup growth in India. Indian AI investments are surging, with over Rs 5,000 crore in new government schemes and venture capital funding this year. If you love science-backed, India-first tech content like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got more game-changing updates coming. Drop a comment with your favorite update and help others stay in the loop. Like and share if you're ready for India's AI-powered future.